All right, you guys, real quick. We're gonna do like a little unpackaging, a little unboxing. Before that, hope you guys got big on these fat bits. We're gonna open up some packages. I got 2 big ass packages. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh my God. From Shien. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. I got all that shit for like 55 bucks, you guys. I was like, look, I was looking at Young LA, right? I was like, oh, this shirt's dope as fuck. Like, I'm gonna get one of these shirts. Bro, 45 for a shirt, bro. God, I was like, hell no way. 48 bucks, what the fuck? Yeah, I'm gonna buy a shirt worth that much. Look, I have a bunch of Young LA apparel, right? A bunch of shirts and shit. Bunch of shirts, bunch of sweatpants. Well, bro, I always wait till they go on a flash sale or something because I'm not paying full price for a Young LA shirt. They sold some anime shirts and they were like 55 bucks. Besides the point, you guys, I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. What you can get for 55 bucks on Shien. Okay, you guys, let's start off with the, oh wait, that's my girl stuff. Or that's a little present. But let's start off with this sweater, I think. Some Monaco sweater. They got the detail down. I like how they come in these little packages, but that's the standard for the day. Look at that, you guys. Shien. Oh, not bad. It's a thin little sweater. Okay. Throw that shit over there. Whoa, whoa. Oh, and it's soft. Not bad for what? I think I paid 12 bucks for this motherfucker. Why is it so cheap though? I ain't complaining. I got an extra large, you guys, just for reference. Let's try it on real quick. Oh, I'm definitely gonna get the fat hose with this one. Oh, you guys, how did it look, you guys? Oh my God, can't even see it. Damn, you can't even see my muscles out there.
Like, what up, baby? Oh man, what happened with that, baby?
Or some stupid shit like that. But yeah, I like this sweater though. Little navy blue sweater, says Monaco. Don't know what that means. It feels good though. It's not too thin, not too thick. It's just right, you guys. Put that to the side. Okay. Next. Oh my God, look at that. Me Infinity. Don't know what the hell that. I thought it said Shien. Whoa. I'm definitely gonna go to Red Lobster with this one. Extra large. All the things I got. Damn, wait. Yeah, extra large, you guys. Focus, focus, focus. Ooh. Damn, this kind of looks big though. But let's try it on, you guys. How are we gonna know if we don't try it on? Yeah, dude, this is not gonna stay white for too long. I know that for sure. You guys, wow. Look, it's a little baggy, but look, I like me a baggy bitch. Wow, you guys. What does it say? Chicago. Okay, bet. Chicago, Illinois. Wow, this is actually dope. Oh, my girl's gonna love this, bro. She's finally gonna love me again. Look at that, you guys. It looks good. Little side, little back shot, little side shot again. Damn, you guys, this actually looks really good, you guys. Damn, I've never seen myself wearing shit like this. This is dope. And it feels good too. Like, it's not even, like, it's warm, but it's not too warm to the point where, like, you're burning up inside, right? You're at, like, Red Lobster, you're already fucking the sweater up, but you're not like, damn, I need to take this off because I'm sweating like a bitch. I think this was like 7 bucks, you guys. Next up. Whoa! Once again, you guys, for reference, XL. Hope you guys are having a great day, you guys. Thank you for giving. Thank you for all the views in the last video, you guys. I love you guys. Whoa! Look at that. New York, you guys. Wow. And I love how it's not like thick as hell. I like, cause I get hot as hell real quick, you guys, and I don't like that. XL. Once again, you guys. Damn, these feel nice. Yeah, Young LA need to go out of business, you guys, cause they need to get sued. That's what they need to get. Woo! Damn, you guys. That actually, it feels so nice, you guys. So soft. One time I bought a shirt at a concert in Chicago, right, you guys? And I knew I got scammed. It was 25 bucks, but it was for 2 shirts, so I didn't really get scammed, but I'm sure he made a good profit off those fucking shirts. The thing was like crooked as hell, and like they didn't even take their time printing that shit out. And I was like, damn, I got scammed, but like, you know, I had to buy some memories, so fuck it. But yeah, look at that, you guys. Once again, side, back, 360. It looks good, you guys. 10 out of 10. Oh shit. Just don't raise your arms up, you guys. But this is an XL, and I am pretty fat. I'm going through a bulking season. I've been bulking since 2014. I'm never gonna stop bulking. All right, you guys. Enough of that. Throw that to the side. Oh, we got a shirt now, you guys. Grand Lake. Don't know where that's at. It just looked cool. Why is it open, bro? Ooh, whoa. Actually, this is not gonna be a 10 out of 10. It's kind of, I think you can see through it low key, you guys. We're gonna try it on. Give me one quick second. Damn. Okay, you guys, look. We got the shirt. Don't know what it says. This is Grand Lake, Colorado. Oh, I've never been there. It's a extra large. Not bad. Damn, I'm really feeling in an extra large. Not bad, you guys. The shirt, the presentation comes in well. Some baggage. Wow, you guys. These are really nice shirts. You guys should definitely check out Shien, because damn. Not bad for 55 bucks for the whole thing, you guys. Wow. Ooh, I'm shirtless. I can't show you guys. It's another sweater, you guys. It says Wisconsin. Wait, what does that say? Oh, hell nah. I didn't even read it. I just looked at it because it looked cool. It says macro constant. What the fuck is this? I mean, let's try it on though. I think I just need to try it on because I don't know what the fuck I just ordered. What the hell? You guys, it is actually not bad. Wow, this actually fits really nice. I weigh 190 something, you guys. I don't know, but I'm pretty fat. Damn, extra large too, you guys, so it does not look bad. Wow, this actually, yeah, I'm keeping it. I was gonna return it, but now. It looks nice, you guys. And it, like, once again, it does not feel warm. It feels comfortable, cozy. It feels good. 10 out of 10. You might have to wear a little shirt under, because this thing right here, it kind of like, it gives that itch. Oh, I thought I had a stain right there. I looked right there and there was like a little stain. I was like, what the hell? But yeah, you guys, 10 out of 10. It feels good. You look like you know how to style, but you don't, you guys. But we just want to assume, not assume, but we want to seem like we know how to dress. But I'm gonna show you guys a thing or two. I don't even know how to dress myself. Next shirt. Oh my god, damn. This has to be from like Michael Kors, bro. This feels crazy expensive. What the fuck? Oh my god, you guys. Look how crazy this is. Give me a sec, you guys, because I'm kind of stuck. Damn! Oh, yo, my girl's gonna love this. And look, the cool thing, it kind of feels like that warm, I don't know, what is that interior, like when cloth? I don't know what the fuck this is. This feels like, it has like a texture, that soft texture with the rigid lines. I don't know how to explain it, you guys, but it feels good. Especially because the inside is not like that. Kind of feels like it's leatherish, low key. Like, it gives that cool sensation when she put it on. Damn, you guys, this feels nice. Oh, my girl's gonna love. Oh my god, I thought they were shooting outside. I was like, you gotta duck the fuck down. I don't know if the mic picked that up, but nah. Besides the point, you guys, this feels really nice, you guys. This, wow. This looks really good. Wow. Let me show my mom real quick, because she's gonna love this. Mama. My mom liked it. She loved it. I'm telling you guys, wow. You guys definitely gotta shop there, because I know a bunch of you guys, including myself, broke as fuck. I'm broke as hell, you guys. I don't got no kind of money, you guys. I'm broke. I work. I got a girlfriend. That's probably why I got a girlfriend, bro. I need to drop her. I'm just playing. No, I love her, but yeah, I'm broke, you guys. It's always just good to say you're broke, because you don't want to give the people something that you got money. Even though I don't got money, I'm still broke as fuck. But overall, you guys should definitely buy this kind of clothes, you guys. Look at that, bro. Look, this shit would have costed like 45 bucks at Forever 21, and no one's trying to pay that bullshit. My god, but yeah, you guys, I hope you guys like that short little video, you guys. Hope you got an idea what to buy. I mean, that's the kind of clothes I like to buy. Street, but like casual kind of wear. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Appreciate you guys. Go watch my other videos. Give them a like. Please, you guys. Please. You guys like them. You guys like the videos. You guys don't. It don't matter. I do this for fun. I love doing this, you guys. I love you guys. Take care, you guys.